Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentaries. Tuesday morning, September the 18th. Thanks for joining us here. I will be doing RFD TV this morning. 10:15 Central Time is when I'm scheduled to be on, so hope you have a chance to check that out. If you don't, we will be putting that out on our website a little later on and putting it on Twitter as well so that you're able to view our commentaries. This morning, we do not have a private export sale of soybeans. This is the first time in the last 8 sessions that we have failed to see a soybean sale. So it should be a little disappointing to the trade. We're a little bit softer overnight in the soybeans anyway, and we may see a further pullback. We've been looking for a pullback to buy into as the market's struggling around resistance of 977 and could certainly slip back to the 950 support area here as harvest is starting to gain a little bit of speed. We're still fairly slow and yields are varied. We've got a lot of yield estimates on our newsletter that came out this morning, but a lot of variance. Soybeans, I think, are mostly lower than last year and expectations, while corn is some of it's way better than expected, and that's going to keep a lid, I think, on the corn market rallies over the next several weeks. So if you look at seasonals very closely, more research notes that selling soybeans on yesterday's close, 14 of the last 15 years, produces a winning trade if you take it off October the 2nd, and that's when you normally put in your seasonal harvest lows. Egypt tendering for wheat overnight. Japan looking for 127 wheat at its weekly tender. In the livestock trade, most of the cattle contracts higher yesterday. October ended with some fractional losses and about $1 off of its highs. We hit contract highs in some of the deferred feeder cattle contracts. Show lists are down a little bit from last week, but up from a year ago levels. Cash trade looks steady again. Cutout values did turn higher, and that's a supportive feature for this market. Overall, I think this cattle market is going to kind of chop around in here and struggle to rally, especially in that October contract, as a big supply is going to keep a lid on any rallies. We're building in premiums in those deferred contracts, which is bearish, as we've been saying. So we still continue to believe that there's more weakness coming in this cattle market into the fourth quarter of this year. Have a great day of trade. We'll be back later on with more comments and information. Hope you have a successful day. Give any of our offices a call. They'd be glad to assist you. This has been Brian Hoops. Good luck, good trading, and we'll talk to you soon.